Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a quick little tour sneak peek inside of my bag for videography purposes. You saw the photography video, this is for videography. If you want to see the photography video and you haven't yet, it's going to be linked down below for you, but let's go ahead and jump right into this bag. Alright guys, starting out, the camera that I'm using for video is actually being used to record this video currently. So on there I have a Sony A7S III with a 24-7 2.8 G Master. That lens and camera combo is phenomenal. But however, I actually have a second camera. It actually comes in the mail today. So before filming this tomorrow, I should have an A7S III in my hands, and that'll be my video camera going forward. So I'll have one for photo and one for video. Aside from the 24-70 G Master, I also have a Lawoa 12mm 2.8 zero distortion lens. Good lens. Like I said before in the other video, it's more of a budget friendly version. There are better versions out there, such as the Sony 12-24 I believe, but this lens is great for the price. It's very, very wide. Aside from that lens for videography, I'm also using a Sony 85 1.8. This is one of my favorite focal lengths. This is what I use for all my close-ups. It's super sharp and I love this lens. I can't recommend it enough. This is probably like my favorite lens. Aside from that, I'm also using a Tamron 17-28 2.8. Not my favorite lens, but it is good quality for the price. So autofocus is sometimes finicky and sometimes it's not the sharpest, but for the price, I believe I paid somewhere around 800. Could be wrong, I'll link that down below, but this is a decent lens for the price. Aside from that, for video, I'm also using a Rode VideoMic Pro. This Rode VideoMic is pretty good. I've had this for a couple years. I don't have any complaints. Sure, there's some better ones nowadays that, you know, turn on automatically and stuff like that, or now Deity is coming up with a lot of good stuff, but I got a good deal on this on OfferUp a while back, and this is a good microphone that I'll keep around for a while. Additionally, if I'm doing property tours with an agent, I have a Tascam DR-10L. This lav mic comes with a mic here. This is the best lav mic that I've used so far in terms of quality. You can set it up and forget it. The automatic monitoring on here is amazing and the battery lasts a really long time. Highly recommend this Tascam. Can't complain about it. All right guys, so moving on from my backpack. Aside from that, my gimbal is the Moza Air 2. This is what I'm using every single day. This is a good gimbal for the money, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't recommend it. I wouldn't recommend it to you. I wish I had gotten the Ronin S. That's because it's given me a lot of problems with the battery back here. It's not a rechargeable battery like the Ronin. Although these are rechargeable, these come out and oftentimes they get jammed out of place and the gimbal will just shut off on me, or the batteries don't hold enough charge or some sort of problem. I've had to reach out to Moza one time to get them to replace it, and it's kind of annoying when you use this thing every day. So I don't recommend it. I have used the Ronin S before, although I don't own one. So I will link both down below, but I do recommend the Ronin S if you're looking for a gimbal. All right guys, so that pretty much does it for me here. Aside from this, I have backup memory cards, backup batteries at all times. They're always in my bag, always ready to go. Can't complain about that kind of stuff. If you guys have any questions or any comments about any of the stuff being used here today, give me a comment, leave me a comment, ask me a question. I'm happy to interact with you guys in the comments down below. If you guys got any value out of this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below, because that's really gonna help this channel out a lot. I'm gonna be pumping out a lot more of this content for you guys. So hope to hear from you guys. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.